everyone, and welcome back to Weight Loss Smoothie Sensations. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that worked for me with you. This is a series that I do where I feature a new weight loss smoothie every week. Let's go make it now. Hey everyone, this week we will be making the delicious kale and banana smoothie for weight loss. And this one is moving to the top of my go to smoothies. It's so delicious. On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week. So, first off, a huge congratulations to everyone who has already joined in the weekly challenge. If you're new here, it's not too late to start. Simply make the commitment to yourself to prioritize your weight loss and make this kale and banana green smoothie along with me this week. I am telling you, once you start incorporating all of these smoothies into your daily routine, you are going to see that weight fall off. This is smoothie number 20. And if you've been following along with this series, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have it to reference so that when you go to the store, you can pick up the ingredients to make this smoothie with me this week. Okay, so now that you've gathered all your ingredients and you've made the commitment to yourself that you're going to start incorporating these smoothies into your weekly routine, my favorite part is putting them together. So we have our 1 cup of kale. We have our 1 ripe banana. I'll go ahead and rip that up. Blends up a little easier that way. We have 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Get all that in there. You have 1/2 of a medium avocado. We have our 1 tablespoon of honey. So good, adds that natural sweetness. And our tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Remember, all these ingredients are intentional, so they're going to chemically work inside your body to get you the weight loss results you want. And our 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened, or any plant-based milk that you enjoy. See how easy this is? I love showing you in real time, so we have no excuses not to make these. They're so good. They've helped out with my weight loss journey so much. Give that a little shake. Put it right onto your magic bullet blender, and we're going to blend that up. Okay, so once we have it all blended, we just take it off of there. And let's check out this consistency. Look at that. Pour it into your favorite glass. And there you have it, your delicious meal replacement smoothie, packed full of ingredients that are going to accelerate your weight loss. I drink one of these every single morning, and I am telling you, my weight loss results have been maintained, sustained, and long-term for the past 5 years. So let's go check out why. All of my smoothies are made with intentional ingredients that are going to help you along your weight loss journey. So let's go over the weight loss benefits of this smoothie. Kale, banana, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes feelings of fullness, and helps regulate your blood sugar levels. This can reduce overall calorie intake for the day because you're not craving anything and you're just level. The avocado provides healthy monounsaturated fats, which enhance satiety so you're feeling satisfied and are essential for nutrient absorption and help you feel full for longer periods of time. The Greek yogurt adds protein to this smoothie, which is important for muscle maintenance and to keep you feeling satisfied. Protein also supports and even boosts your metabolism. The flax seeds and chia seeds are an excellent source of omega 3 fatty acids, which have anti inflammatory properties, which is one of my favorite things. Getting that inflammation out of your body, working it out from the inside out. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. And you've heard me say over and over in my videos that a healthy gut microbiome is the key to healthy weight loss. A healthy gut is linked to better digestion and improved metabolism. So there you have it, another delicious smoothie to add into your daily meal plan. And like I said, if you are new here, it's not too late to start. Simply check out my weight loss smoothie playlist and start incorporating all of these smoothies into your daily meal plan. And you are going to see that weight fall off. Make the commitment to yourself to enjoy this delicious kale and banana green smoothie along with us this week. I hope to motivate, encourage, and inspire you with my videos. And remember, weight loss is achieved with consistent and persistent effort. So never give up. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please take just a moment to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And if you know anybody else looking to lose some weight and wants to do it in a healthy way for consistent, maintained, long-term results, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's great to have the accountability and to be part of the community. I have weight loss salads for you to check out. I have 19 other smoothies for you to incorporate into your weight loss journey. And I offer different weight loss tips that have worked for me over the years.